Anthony DiClementi with thehealthblueprint.com and your 1 minute health and fat loss tip of the day. Today's tip: stop using your microwave to cook food. Microwaving removes important enzymes and it kills vitamins and minerals and phytonutrients in our food that we need in order to lose weight and improve our health. There's a reason the Russians banned the use of these things. There was a study done recently where they took two identical plants, and one of the plants got regular tap water and the other plant was given microwaved water. After just 2 weeks, the plant given the microwaved water was shriveled and brown and dead, and the plant given the regular water was healthy and vibrant. There's something that goes on when we use radioactivity in order to heat our food, and it definitely is not making us healthier. So that's today's 1 minute health and fat loss tip. Cook more on your stovetop, oven, grill, or your George Foreman. If you enjoyed today's tip, please share it with your friends, family, and coworkers. And if you'd like a free presentation that contains more tips like this, visit us at www.thehealthblueprint.com. I'm Anthony DiClementi. Thank you for your time.
Strolled without a care 'cause I'm going